Hello everyone, welcome to Dee's Hype. I hope everyone is safe and good. A small message from my side: always wear a mask when you step out of the house, and please maintain a social distancing for your health and safety. And please make sure to carry a sanitizer always in your bag. And now let's get into the video. Wait. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting the regular updates of my videos. And now without any further delay, let's get started. If you wanted to remove your dark circles permanently, then please do watch this video without skipping, as in this video I am going to tell you one highly effective, easily available home remedy. So please do watch this video without skipping. Actually, dark circles are considered to be first sign of premature aging, and it has become a very common problem nowadays, not only in women but also in men and students. And it may be because of lack of sleep, poor nutrition, dehydration, stress, and excessive using of gadgets. So let me show you one easily and highly effective home remedy to remove our dark circles permanently. In my experience, it is really the best remedy to remove your dark circles. So please do follow this remedy. As I said, we just need only one remedy to remove our dark circles, and that is nothing but InkNet. Yes, this is the one which worked for my dark circles, and it really makes magic. So now it is easily available in your nearest store, and if you cannot find it in your nearest shop, you can also buy it from online too. And you can also get it in a powder form. So now let me show you how to use this InkNet to remove our dark circles, and please do follow this step and make use of it. Now let me show you how to use an InkNet to remove our dark circles permanently. First, take one InkNet, and if you have a stone board in your home, you can use a stone board. If you don't have, use any rough surface place to make a paste. First, take one InkNet and add few drops of water to it. Gently rub it to get a fine paste. Once you get a paste, take it using your ring finger and apply it around your eyes. First, remember that the skin around your eyes is really very sensitive, so always prefer using only the ring finger, as it will not give you too much pressure. Okay? And since I couldn't find any rough surface place or a stone board in my home, I'm using this InkNet powder to remove my dark circles. I did not buy this from shop. I made it in home and I stored it in an airtight container. So let me show you how I will use this InkNet powder to remove my dark circles. First, take some sufficient amount of InkNet powder, and you can add a rose water or a normal water to it. But I prefer rose water always, because rose water has given me a visible result. So I prefer rose water always. So add few drops of rose water to it and mix it to get a fine paste. Once you get a paste, you just take it using your ring finger. As I told you, ring finger will not give you too much pressure around your eyes. Take it using your ring finger and apply it around your eyes. You can use it if you have dark circles only under eyes, you can use it, but for me it is around my eyes, so now I finished applying it around my eyes using rose water, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, but don't leave it more than 15 minutes. As I told you, the skin around our eyes is really very sensitive, so don't leave it more than 15 minutes. So I'll show you once after washing my face with normal water, so please wait. Yes guys, now I finished washing my face with normal water and I'm really feeling fresh. And this is how it looks once after your first wash. I'm sure that you cannot able to see a result in a very first wash, So please apply this paste for minimum 7 to 10 days to see a visible results, but definitely you will get a permanent solution for your dark circles, and anybody can use this because it has no side effects. Please do share your comments once after using this remedy. Okay, that's it guys, and this is how you should use an ink nut to remove your dark circles permanently. But please make sure to use it regularly, and anybody can use this because it has no side effects and you can use it whenever you are comfortable. And try it out, and please make sure to share your comments, and you will be really happy to see a visible results. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and do share this video to your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting the regular updates of my videos. Okay guys, see you all soon in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.